Good morning, students, and welcome back again. In this video, we will discuss the question answers of the poem The Wind and the Moon. So let's start. Question number 1. Why is the wind angry with the moon? What is he threatening to do? So answer is the wind is angry and he wants to blow out the moon because he hates to be watched all the time by the moon. The wind is threatening to blow her out. Okay, so this is the answer why the wind is angry in this story. Now, question number 2. Even though the wind tries to blow away the moon, she keeps reappearing. This is because, so three options as given. Number A, she is trying to irritate the wind. B, she is trying to challenge the wind by proving that she is more powerful. And C, she is indifferent to the wind and appears and disappears as she pleases. So answer is number C. C is right. So answer is C is indifferent to the wind and appears and disappears as she pleases. Okay, now question number 3. The wind he took to his revels once more. What did the wind go on to do to express his glee? Glee means happiness. Did this feeling last long? Why or why not? So answer is the wind kept on blowing hard at the moon to express his glee. No, this feeling wasn't last long as the moon was not involved in the argument. He was surprised to see that the moon grew in size gradually. So this is the answer. Now question number 4. We know that the wind finds it difficult to blow out the moon and suffers physically. In doing so, find the words or phrases that show this. So answer is the wind finds it difficult to blow out the moon. We can conclude this by following words or phrases. A. He flew in rays. So he danced and blew. Number 2. But in vain was in pain of this bursting brain. So these are the phrases. Now question number 5. What a marvel of power am I. In this stanza, why does the wind think so highly of himself? What did you think of the wind when you read this stanza? So answer is, the moon is appearing and disappearing continuously as she is enjoying this act. But the wind thinks that she is afraid of him and thinks so highly of himself. Okay, so wind thought that he is so powerful. When we read this stanza, we clearly understand that the wind is very arrogant. Wind is arrogant. Okay, so that's why he has shown his power in this story, in this poem. Question number 6. Why is the moon unaware of what the wind is trying to do? If you were the moon and you knew what the wind was up to, how would you feel about his behavior? What would you do? Now answer is the moon is unaware of what the wind is trying to do because the moon is miles away in the sky. It is continuously revolving around the earth on its orbit. If I were the moon, so what I will do? I would have done the same thing as it is done. I would also consider him as foolish. Okay? So moon is what? Moon is unaware and he is trying his own work. He didn't know about these things about this wind. Okay? So that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.